Actually, daghan ng mga tawag and officials included na they have prepared this money for me to run. And pagkakaroon, ayaw lang una, mga 3 pa. Ayaw lang una. Pero ay na pagdugaya, ayaw ninyo pa sobra sa deadline. Kinala na ana pag-abot sa deadline.
Nana daw nag-pledge og 1 billion for your campaign.
Mandito ugma. They're coming here tomorrow.
Okay. So if everything falls into place, the money is there, the support, and even your vice presidentiables are already there, go na?
Wala.
Does that mean go na?
Wala na kwarta, mahatag lang sila og. The guys are coming over tomorrow. I said I'd be honest with you now. I'm under tremendous pressure to run. Na atong si tawag, asa na po sa akong amigo. Umayan ni sila. During the last few days, I said, binugbog talaga ako ng pressure. Gusto ako puntahan dito kasi sabi mo nila magkita sa Manila. Hindi magaman na diya. Sila. Pasa doon ka. Si Marcos o si Tanis Lagambong. Bong kano sa manis mo yan. Ay, bong di naman na. Di mo na siya kandidato. So sila naging I suppose that they were they knew well beforehand that I was not really keen on running. So they came here expecting that would maybe if there's a change of mind that if I could consider them as vice presidential backs. But pagka ano ko sasagot nila, parang alam nila na
Suntok sa buwan.